Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're exploring one of the most vital stages in human development, early childhood education, or ECE. This phase, from birth to age 8, is where the foundation for future learning, behavior, and health is built. Whether you're a future teacher, a parent, or just curious, understanding this stage is essential for shaping young minds and building better futures. Don't forget to check out the full playlist, linked in the video description below. What is early childhood education? Early childhood education refers to the formal and informal learning that takes place during the early years of a child's life, from infancy through grade 2 or around age 8. This isn't just babysitting, it's intentional, developmentally appropriate teaching that supports cognitive, social, emotional, and physical growth. ECE takes place in homes, preschools, kindergartens, early primary classrooms, and childcare centers. These early experiences shape how children learn, how they think, and even how they see the world. Why these early years matter so much? Science confirms it. 90% of brain development happens before the age of 5. According to the Center on the Developing Child at Harvard University, early experiences, both positive and negative, shape brain architecture. The earlier we invest in high-quality education and nurturing care, the better the outcomes in school, work, and life. Children who attend quality early education programs perform better academically, develop stronger social skills, are less likely to repeat grades or need special education, are more likely to graduate and succeed long-term. In short, ECE is not just preparation for school, it's the foundation of everything. What do educators teach at this stage? Early childhood education focuses on language and communication through stories, songs, and conversations, motor skills like drawing, cutting, running, and climbing, social and emotional learning, teaching empathy, sharing, and managing emotions, basic numeracy and literacy, early counting, recognizing letters, and building vocabulary, creative expression through play, art, and imagination. The methods are hands-on, play-based, and centered around exploration and relationships, not worksheets and memorization, qualities of an excellent early childhood educator. Great early educators are patient and emotionally aware, skilled in observing child development, flexible and creative in planning activities, passionate about nurturing the whole child. They don't just teach children, they shape the next generation of thinkers, leaders, and citizens. Why aspiring educators must learn this? If you're thinking of entering education, this is the most powerful place to start. Early childhood teachers lay the groundwork for lifelong learning. Have a deep impact during a child's most sensitive developmental years. Work closely with families to build strong support systems, and remember, every great student, scientist, artist, or innovator once sat in a preschool circle time. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore primary and elementary education, how the learning journey continues after these early years. Be sure to subscribe, share your experiences in the comments, and check out the full playlist in the description. Thanks for building strong foundations with us, right here at the Learning Studio.